Hello, Greenbeard Grooming backers. Based on your feedback, we've decided to add grapeseed oil and avocado oil to our carrier oil kits. Now, the great thing about both of these oils is you can actually find them at your local grocery store. So if you decide not to add either avocado seed oil or grapeseed oil into your kits, you might have it in the pantry, or you could just go to the store, buy it, test it out on your beard as a carrier oil. If you don't like it, you can then cook with it. They're both high heat oils. Now, grapeseed oil, got some grapes here. Oh, there we go. First try. I swear it. Grapeseed oil and avocado oil are a really great pair to add to our kits because grapeseed oil, get this grape out of my mouth here. Grapeseed oil is a really, really thin oil. If I can get a few drops to come out here. There we go. Grapeseed oil is a really, really thin oil, and it's used in beard oils to thin a thick oil, like say avocado oil or jojoba, which is a wax ester, right? So it's used to thin other oils and make them absorb a little quicker. It's got no smell to it at all, and from an environmental perspective, it's used as it's made from the seeds of grapes, and there's a lot of those left over in the wine industry, so you're not causing any big environmental impact there. Now, you could argue that the wine industry itself is detrimental to the environment depending on where in the world you're at, and you can say that about any agricultural large-scale production also. Now, avocado seed oil is another byproduct of the avocado industry. This one here is actually just avocado oil, and the difference between avocado oil and avocado seed oil is just the seed oil comes from the seeds, and avocado oil generally comes from rejected avocados. They get it from the pulp. Anyways, both are really the same thing. If you're worried about the environmental impact, certainly the avocado industry can be problematic with how popular avocados are right now. I was actually going to hold an avocado up, but my wife made avocado toast this morning and ate the last of our avocados. Avocado seed oil is one of my favorite oils to use on my beard. It's a main ingredient in my favorite leave-in beard conditioner. It just makes my beard kind of fluffy and soft. Avocado oil is actually more for your skin than the beard. And if you remember from one of our past videos where we were talking about why we use beard oil's main purpose is really to keep your skin healthy. It keeps your whole beard and makes your hair healthy also. So if I can get some avocado oil to come out here. Come on. Like I said, avocado oil is it's a thicker oil. Got some coming out. There we go. And when you get your kits, you're going to be able to tell how thick the oil is based on how quickly it comes out of the jar. And then also, once you have a little pool in your hand, when you go like this, you can really feel the difference, especially with grapeseed oil and avocado oil. When I put my hands together, the avocado oil just provides more resistance. So like I said, avocado oil is really, really good as a skin moisturizer, whereas grapeseed oil is a thinner oil. It absorbs, especially in my beard, it just absorbs into my beard like nothing. And I could picture using it in a carrier oil blend to thin out the other oils. It also happens to be a less expensive oil, if that's a concern. Now, avocado oil, on the other hand, is very expensive. So, there we go. As long as we're talking about beard oils, single ingredient beard oils that you can go to your store and just buy, or walk over to your pantry and just pull them out of there, we are not going to add these to the kits, but extra virgin olive oil is a carrier oil. It's got a light, kind of fruity scent. You're familiar with olive oil. you know, my fingers are kind of oily. There we go. You're familiar with olive oil, right? Green. It's got a kind of a plant smell to it. A thicker oil, again, like avocado oil. And there are plenty of beard oils that use extra virgin olive oil as their base, which is cool. So when you get our kits in the mail and you're testing out the different carrier oils, make sure to go to your pantry and pull out some olive oil and use that too. Now, some people use canola oil as well. I wouldn't just pull canola oil. That's your basic vegetable oil that you have in the pantry. It's really hard to find a cold pressed or a virgin canola oil, and that's what I would want to use if I was going to use it on my beard. But I would just steer clear of canola oil, even though some beard oils do incorporate it. Again, so that is a really quick rundown on grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and a little bit about olive oil. I really encourage you to test all three of these out, regardless of whether you get them in the kits. You can just go to the store and buy them, and if you don't like it, you cook with it. Kind of a cool thing. And just another carrier oil that you can add to your beard oil blends that you're putting together with your Bearded Roots test kits. As always, every single oil that we sell plants a tree. So, let's see. This oil here plants one tree. This kit actually plants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trees if you buy this Bearded Roots test kit. Thank you so much for your support. We truly can't do this without you.